Yeah, this is our cooling system. I'll just quickly get
This is
and see how
at the cooling system above Shams 1.
there is in Morocco and Algeria, they have but very small air filters on this side, not comparable to this one.
Yeah.
Because they have very small share of concentrated solar power to combine cycle power plants.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah. And the main reason why we went for the air filter condenser is that to save the water. Water is an issue in this country, so
Yeah,
you cannot
it's
just
an issue everywhere, really.
No, but
I mean, not
especially
in
here,
Canada.
because otherwise we have to pump desalinated water from the coast 60 kilometers and use it here just for cooling. You lose or you have to consume about 2,000 gallons of water
Per megawatt hour.
per megawatt hour.
Wow.
We're talking in this plant about 2,100 gigawatt hour. So you can consume, it will be about 100 millions of gallons of water per year, of course, yeah, per year.
And you can't recycle.
You cannot recycle because
It's
it's
so
gonna
hot.
flash and go in the atmosphere, in the ambient like a vapor. So it was a decision. Although there is a penalty, you are losing electricity. I mean, your output will be less, your efficiency will be less as well. But it was a decision to cut the cost of the energy. You
And
can
why-
hear the sound now, eh?
Yeah.
It's just because of the natural circulation. So we are taking the sound here. They are really far away from here, but you're hearing the sound that like they are just across the fans here or something like that. Yeah.
And why is the efficiency so much lower for the dry cooling? Because you just can't heat it as much, or?
No, because you cannot maintain what we call the back pressure. For example, in normal plants, when you use the wet cooling tower, your back pressure and the output of the turbine is about 0.05 bar. With such technology, you can reach up to 0.13. So there is a difference, and this is the penalty you are paying. It's better than wasting a lot of water.
Yeah. I mean, water is a huge issue today.
Huge issue, and that's why I
But
don't know if I told you that or something. The next step for us is to look at dry cleaning methods. I mean, there is no now any dry cleaning methods in the market for the mirrors.
Wow.
And this is something really we need to work at. I mean, I already initiated the idea to work with Mazda Institute and such stuff, either by applying the coatings, which reduce the process of where the sand stack on the mirrors, so you are reducing the water consumption, or by applying dry cleaning methods where you don't consume any water, or hybrid between dry and so this should be now the focus for all the researchers or the development institute, because this is a problem, let's say, or an issue in UAE but everywhere as well.
Yeah. And in 20 or 30 years it's going to be even a bigger.
Worse, exactly.
I mean, much of the US, I mean this past year, much of the US has been under extreme droughts, and that's only expected to get worse. So it's I know the US is expected to have very harsh conditions in the south and southwest and many places around the world. So
Would like to have a look on the fan, but without cameras?
Can you
Without cameras? Okay.